If you are lacking in the confidence area and need help bossing up and increasing your confidence, you got the right video, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, my name is Dawnyai Denise. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about tips to help us boost our confidence. Tip number 1, change your mindset. This will make such a difference in your confidence, like you'll be so surprised. By changing your mindset, all you literally have to do, stop thinking negative. Think positive. Stop relying on other people to believe in you. You need to believe in yourself. Because, I mean, are they going to be, well, they will be with you at the end, but you are the one that's going to be putting in the hard work. Stop comparing yourself to others. Yeah, you might not have what they have. Okay, but if you think about it, somebody's below you and don't have what you have. But anyway, you should not compare yourself to others because maybe it's not meant for you. Or if it is meant for you, maybe it's just not your time yet. Have you thought about that? Don't rely on other people to motivate you. You have to be your own motivation. Yeah, it's nice to have people to motivate you, but okay, what if you don't? You have to be your hype man. You have to be your cheerleader. You have to depend on yourself. Visualize yourself where you want to be and act accordingly. Like, for instance, I just got my bachelor's degree in nursing. I had to think like I already had it in order to stay on my stuff, stay motivated, all the above. So I acted like I was already there, and look, I'm here. Now my next step is to act like I'm a family nurse practitioner because that's what I want to do next. So my mindset is I'm already a family nurse practitioner, so I'm going to do what I got to do to get there. Tip number 2, enhance your appearance. Now, you don't have to have a full face of makeup to enhance your appearance. You can just do something so small. Put on a little lip gloss. Do your eyebrows, eyelashes, hair, anything. Because in my case, when I look good, I feel good. Like this hair right here, this headband wig. Y'all want to know about this headband wig? Comment below and I'll make a video about it. But I feel so put together with this wig on. And then when I do my eyebrows, y'all can't tell me nothing. I feel like, And then next, you should smile more. Like, even if you don't even have a excuse or a reason to smile, just smile. Like, if you fake a smile long enough, it'll turn into a real one. Like, next, fix your posture. That's a big one. You gotta fix that posture because just think about me starting this video like this with no smile, posture all like, hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel, yada 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 yada. Yeah, y'all gonna think I'm a piece of crap, but y'all not gonna listen to me because I look like I'm not confident in myself. If you sit up, shoulders back, head up, smile, now we in business, see? Tip number 3, educate yourself. Now, I know school ain't for everybody, but once you get that degree or certificate, your whole level of confidence like goes up a couple notches. Because when I got this bachelor's degree, girl, I was like, you can't tell me nothing. I feel like a whole nother level of adulthood was achieved. You know what I mean? Educate yourself. Go back to school. If school ain't your thing, go on YouTube. YouTube has millions of videos. You think I knew how to film, edit videos? You think even in school, I went to YouTube. YouTube has the answer. That's my dog sneezing. But anyway, YouTube has the answer to literally everything you want to know. So master what it is you need to know. Your whole level of confidence. So as I said, the 3 tips of boosting your confidence is changing your mindset, enhancing your appearance, and educating yourself. If there are any self-care topics that you want me to show or help you with on my channel, comment below and I'll make a video about it. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.